Eryanping Trail. The entrance is located at the 50.8 kilometers mark of Alishan Provincial Highway 18. There is a viewing platform at the entrance. One way is about 1 kilometer. To return on the same route requires climbing some steps. Xiding has 3 beautiful attractions: Tea Garden Trail, Sea of Clouds and Cloud Falls, and Eryanping Sunset. Eryanping Trail captures all these beautiful scenery. The original trail is about 1,150 meters and it takes about 16 minutes round trip. The trail was a gap between 2 mountains. Alishan and Eryanping and was created by the mountain residents in the old days. The newly expanded trail is a wooden plank trail that was built from the end of the old trail at the pavilion. There are bamboo forests, strange rock formations, and tea gardens along the way. It also overlooks the Chiayi Plain, Renitan Dam, and Lantern reservoirs. To the east are the Alishan mountain ranges in the distance. In the winter, there's a chance you'll see Cloud Falls and Sea of Clouds. Transport. Take Chiayi Bus Chiayi, Doban Line, Chiayi, Fanlu Line or Chiayi Alishan Line. Get off at Anding Station and walk about 300 meters to the hiking entrance. From HS are Chiayi Station, Taiwan Railway Chiayi Station. Take the Taiwan Tourist Shuttle Alishan Line and get off at Eryanping Station. Then walk to Eryanping Trail. Thank you for watching.